So we're back on all fours, and yeah, it could do with a bit of a clean, couldn't it? Yeah, we got to sort that out. But you know, in the meantime, the problem, or the last little piece of the puzzle that we've got to sort out, is this. Is pretty well at it. As you can see, that is and that's what it should be like, because it should be connected. However, that part of the linkage in there is basically destroyed itself, and as a result, this wiper does not function in the way that it should. And I thought that, you know, it's a minor sort of thing, but that'll go that well. And I noticed from the invoices that it did have a temp to perm repair, which is a phrase that just cracks me up, on this. And obviously it was more permanent than temporary because it was done over 2 years ago. It amazes me because they charged him like 50, 60 quid for the repair and a linkage. In fact, the linkage in the wiper motor is 40 quid. And I'm going to go through changing this now because it's not difficult. And I know a lot of these 169s have this problem. So here we have a video on how to change the wiper linkage and wiper motor in one of these. Now, I've never done it before, but I doubt it's that difficult. I have stripped one down, but that's another story. So let's set all this up, get some lights set up, and dig into it and have a crack. Okay, now you only really need one tool for this job. What I'm going to do while I'm here is I'm going to give these a bit of a Scotch-Brite and just dust them up, or dust this one up with a bit of the old powder coat. Now, I've got one of these because I do this on a semi-regular basis. Not, you know, but you don't need that. In fact, I'll do one with it and do what it might come off fine. I'll give it one go, you know, and see what happens. Now, these should be a 13. You have to just be careful with these and working in and around the windscreen area because obviously glass. 1, 2. So, trick is to try and this may or may not work, but because these might be seized, because there you go, see, no tool needed. See if we can get the other one in the same way. Just a bit of pressure, side to side. Ooh, this one doesn't want to come. Hang on, I got it. There we go. So it takes a little wiggle. Rebuilding. Powder coat, active. Brand newing in progress. Yeah, brand new. Brand spanking new, you'll never know. Anyway, where were we? Ah, yes. Roundabout by here. So we're back in the vicinity, and of course that was worth every penny I paid for it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get this piece of plastic off here. And you need to be careful with these because there's a lot of pipe work, you know, on these things. And these things are crap, basically. They're going to need adjusting and cleaning out and what have you, but we'll get to that. But let's get this off here now. I did have the correct implement here somewhere. Wonder what Jim Davidson's doing tonight. Bet he's not changing the wiper motor and linkage in his Fiat Panda. carefully, because there's clips on there. Oh, that clip has gone. Oh, that's broke. Oh. Hang on. Come on. I didn't want to hear that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull that one off it. That's just the main one. And you can see these white clips here. We've lost 2, maybe a few more. Don't know. But we'll see what happens now. Find out because they've gone down in here somewhere. Oh my. See, I thought we cleaned this out. That there is just a plastic cover that seems to fit over everything. Hopefully we're going to need to transfer that. But the wiper motor linkage is this thing by here. We should just be able to nip it off there. There's one of them clips. There's the other one of them clips. Good stuff. We just nip this off here. Yeah. Let's have a look here. What we got? Gosh, a plug and a half, that isn't it? Let's have you off there. Right, you got a bit of a sideways effort thing. There we go. Look at that. And there's nothing wrong with this. This is the bit that's, and you can see what somebody's done there. You know? Fabric cobbling wise, that's fine, but I would have gone very, very soon. When you need, they always go when you need them most, you know, when it's raining. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all this out here properly. I'm going to sort the duckbills out while we're here, you know, and we've got access. Yeah. As you can see, the workbench at the moment is fully workable. So that's all that is. You know, you might not even need to, but the thing is with it, and why it stands for a lot of the, oh, really? Huh. Well, nope. That's annoying. Yeah. Well, you learn something every day. Every damn day. That's right. We're putting those back in. Loads easier. Where's the other one? There it is. Oh, the bloody nuts falling out. Oh, damn. I can't see any discernible difference in quality with these. Obviously, time will tell. However, considering this one here has been operating, well, for well over 15 years without issue, then I'm not going to worry too much about it, you know. I can't see it being a game stopper in the future. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Now, before this goes anywhere near the car, let me just get some... Right, this is white lithium, which is good, and it goes on nice and thin to start with, because it gets into places, and you know, and it's good stuff. So that big rubber thing on the bottom there, is going to locate in a little groove thing down there. So it's all got to go in. I don't want that sticking in there. Probably just the newness. There was no satisfying click there. Before we put anything else back together, let's have a little bit of a, you know, I cannot fault it. Right, we're going to redistribute these clips. Or are we? Nope. We are not. Right. Oh, that one's gone as well. That's why they're broken. Considering that came out of there, it should also go back in, you think, wouldn't it? There we go. There we go. Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? There you go. Yeah, see, doesn't fill me with confidence, but we are where we are. No expense spared. No expense spared. Right. This is the long one, which means it's a short blade. Right. Don't even remember where I got these from. Right, let's give them a bit of a workout. Now we seem to have all the bits worked out. Ignition on. Single wipe. Have we got any intermittent on this? No. Just you just one speed. So intermittent's working. Continuous low speed. Continuous high speed. Right. Great. See if the self part works. Awesome sauce. Right. Just going to make sure they're nice and tight and we're buttoning this up. Do you know, I realise I never actually checked this. Oh, I like these clips. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Christ. Oh. I haven't got one of them. It's like new. Like new. Right then. It looks to me like we could be ready to get out here. We got to sort that interior out next, but yeah, I think we're looking pretty good. We got to adjust that one a bit, but you know. Raw power. Right. So all we've got left to do now is sort this interior out and get this back to back the thing. And what we got is we're gonna clean all of this, get these seats out here. These are going because they've had it. That one's all right, but this one's shot and you can't get a replacement for it. So we're gonna go a bit swankier on that. And whilst we got the seats out, we're cleaning everything. We're giving it a bit of steam. The whole lot, right? Whether we got the weather or not for it, couldn't tell you. But we're going to give it a go, you know? And that's what's happening next, is we're putting all this back together and sorting it all out, you know? But it shouldn't take too long. And then this thing is ready for MOT. Hopefully it's another one saved from the scrap heap. I'll catch you on the flip side.
It's alright, that.